Welcome to the CX Live Dialogues. I'm delighted to have with us today Mark Boniface, the Head of Global Alliances GTM at Medallia. Mark has been at Medallia for over 4 years, and prior to this, he has worked as a CX consultant with many enterprise, telco, FS, insurance, and retail organizations delivering large-scale CX cost-out programs, ROI analysis programs, and many others. He works to help partners build out value propositions that encapsulate the unique conjunction of their services combined with Medallia technology to solve the most challenging CX issues in business today. Welcome, Mark. It's a pleasure to have you with us.
Thanks, Ayusha. Pleasure to be here.
Likewise. Now, Mark, we are obviously in the midst of a highly disruptive CX ecosystem, and with the continuous integration of AI and machine learning in customer service, what strategies do you recommend for organizations to strike the right balance between automation and maintaining a personalized human touch in their interactions with customers?
It's a really good question. So I think getting the right balance between automation and the personal touch is a real challenge. I think the right strategy really comes down to your goals as an organization. So traditional operational cost reduction is often a byproduct of better customer experiences. So customers can self-serve, which is what they want. They want to not have to call the contact center. So if we want to create true personalization, I think there are 3 key steps. The first step is to understand the customer. So this is about more than just sending surveys and interpreting data. It's about understanding all of the different touch points that customers have across app, digital, contact center, social, CRM, and many more. The second step really is to analyze the data in real time to work out where there are behaviors, trends, and situations that you can highlight and create alerts from. And the third is really to drive action. How can you use the fact that a customer has experienced friction as an opportunity to reach out to them and to help them achieve their goals and delight them at the same time? In addition to this, you really want to try to find where this has affected other customers so you can initiate things like process redesign. I think smart companies realize that personalization is really just about helping customers achieve their goals in a frictionless way. AI is going to extend the way that we build and maintain customer relationships and the speed that we can drive the most appropriate action for every unique customer journey. I think the real truth is that most executives want to use AI. They don't really know how they will use it, how it will drive value, and how it will solve real business problems. A big part of what we're doing at the moment is to try to consider the responsible and ethical use of AI and help organizations to create a roadmap that delivers business value, but avoids unintended consequences and things like bias or risk. So there needs to be quality control, there needs to be governance to ensure that AI is really meeting the goals and the intentions of the brands that we're working with. And most importantly, we want it to align with helping and accelerating customers' ability to achieve their day-to-day goals.
Definitely. Now, you touched upon the customer journey and obviously understanding the persona of the customer. How do you believe AI is shaping CX to predict and proactively fulfill the customer needs before they even arise?
Yeah, I think that kind of builds on what I was talking about just now. So we're talking about how we need to understand the various parts of the customer's journey across different touch points. So different channels like digital, surveys, live chats, calls to the contact center. What we can do is we can often see identify as kind of markers for various kinds of journey friction. Like we can see where a customer has been on the website, they're getting frustrated, then they call the contact center, and we can see that they're looking likely to cancel. So we can use AI to identify the fingerprint of customers who look like this at an earlier stage. And we can use that fingerprint to identify and drive interventions, maybe before 1,000 other customers arrive at this negative endpoint, such as a cancellation. So this is a really powerful and kind of actionable use of generative AI to accelerate data analysis to real-time levels. So we can use those alerts that are generated to drive really powerful and useful interventions. So this is going to help with retention. It helps to drive advocacy. it can kind of create real VIP experiences that really differentiate a brand from their competitors. It also increases efficiency, so it helps with operational cost reduction. So there are a variety of really powerful use cases here.
Definitely. And again, you touched upon the rise of the omni-channel experiences that is transforming customer interactions. How can businesses effectively integrate the various channels to create that seamless and cohesive customer journey? And what role does technology play in achieving this integration?
Yeah, I think I talk a lot about this. A lot of organizations have this as a kind of a key question that they're trying to answer. And I think it goes back to the understanding of a customer's interactions across different channels. We're kind of trying to work out how customers navigate from one channel to another, what causes them to jump channels, and what their sentiment is at various different stages of their journey. And we're trying to build this up through a variety of different methods, through solicited sort of traditional survey feedback. That might be email to web surveys and digital surveys. We're trying to build it up from unsolicited feedback data, like transcribed calls to the contact center and live chat data. And then we're trying to overlay that with behavioral metrics like web interaction data and app data. So I think organizations are constantly looking to maximize their possibilities and their ability to innovate, while at the same time reducing complexity by rationalizing the number of different technology platforms that they're using. So they want one for CRM, they want one for phone system, one for digital marketing, one for customer experience. Medallia aligns all of the aspects of customer experience under one roof, so we can really start to use AI to stitch together all of these different interactions that customers have, so that we can build a deeper understanding of where there are opportunities to change journeys, either from the perspective of redesigning some of those journeys so that we can improve the customer experience, reduce friction points, and from the perspective of providing orchestration, so helping to, in real time, help customers to achieve their goals by changing their journey using AI to find the best path for them. So this has got huge potential to revolutionize the way that brands can help customers to achieve their goals.
And again, one of the tricky parts that comes in along with obviously managing this entire new tech suite that organizations are working in is how these new technologies can empower human agents to deliver exceptional and empathetic customer service. What are your thoughts on it, Mark?
Absolutely. So I think new technologies like Medallia extend the deep understanding that we have of customer journeys and can really help to provide frontline teams with context to give them the best chance of responding to individual customers with empathy and rapid answers. Customer interaction data across all touch points combined with AI is really going to drive the potential to innovate here. At our experience event in Las Vegas earlier this year, we announced a new feature for human agents called intelligent summaries. So this uses AI to provide a concise analysis of all recent interactions and delivers this to frontline team members. So instead of having to sift through the most recent 18 interactions that a customer has had and work out what to say, the agent can read this 2-sentence AI summary of what the customer has gone through, what are they trying to achieve, and what do they need right now. So this is going to dramatically accelerate the speed to resolution. We know that frontline teams have got they've got one hell of a job to try and keep customers happy. They're trying to navigate different systems. They're trying to come up with answers. And we can help make that job easier through technology to deliver high empathy, context-driven human interactions to help customers while at the same time dramatically improving efficiency. I think, in summary, I think brands are really at a stage where they need to earn the trust of customers by demonstrating that they've got a defined AI strategy that's underpinned by a desire to do good. I think serious brands need to be seen to be using AI to enhance the customer experience rather than using customer data for their own ends. The brands that can be trusted to use AI responsibly will be able to create truly unique, personalized experiences that are unrivaled. And I think this is the real opportunity moving forward over the next sort of 2 to 4 years. We'll start to see some of these brands create amazing experiences by stitching all of these different interaction points that customers have together and helping to create unique, personalized journeys.
I think you've touched upon a very important point there, Mark, which is the trust and obviously building that personalized journey, knowing that the customer can trust you. Thank you, Mark. It's been a pleasure having you today. And of course, we look forward to hearing much more about Medallia's offerings and how you can help organizations at the Customer Experience Live Show in Dubai in April. And hopefully be able to listen to many more case studies and assist organizations with their strategy going forward. Until then, stay safe.
Fantastic. Thanks for being a part of this, and look forward to talking to you more about these subjects at the event in Dubai in April. So see you all there.
See you then. Bye for now.
Thank you. Bye.